winner and then a 200,000 winner. Last 2 minutes is brought to you by Sportsplus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. It's fouled from behind.
It's just one of those things where, you know, minsan sinasabihan ka na maybe your parents or maybe your good friend, no, when you're having a bad day. Alam mo, Juanito, masamang magalit pero hindi. Ang MPBL tsaka Sports Plus, lalo na Sports Plus, galit sa pera.
See the winner right here, RB Medillo. Congratulations again, sir. Yun ang maganda, nanalo ka na, nag-enjoy ka pa sa laro. Diba? 3 good MPBL games here. RB Medillo still staying after winning 1,000.
Palagay ko, mas appropriate pag baliktad yun eh. Nag-enjoy ka na sa laro,
nanalo ka pa. Usually, you pay for tickets, but here in the MPBL, you watch, and you are paid.
Free po mga tickets, binabawas mo sa payroll ni Coach Juanito.
Kaya, willing po akong bayaran kayo lahat. Tara na po, may second and third game. Later on, the Caloocan Batang Kangkalu will be going up against Iloilo in our main game.
Mga banat mo talagang ano eh, no? Galawang politiko yan, Juanito. Tatakbo ko muna nga
Dito lang tayo tatakbo ko sa Caloocan Sports Complex. Ano lang tayo, extra calories burned lang ang pagtakbo natin. 1 minute and 14.
Yan na lang yung calories na iba-burn ng mga manlalaro natin. The 10 players on the court para sa dalawang komponan.
So coach, let's talk about a few guys. It's 4 players na nahirapan tayo pumili, but it's Ildefonso, De Los Reyes, Cassius Small Martin, and Jake Figueroa. Coach, the impact of the 4 here in the ball game.
Kahit sino piliin mo dyan, hindi ka magkakamali. But Jake Figueroa, you know, even if this was quote-unquote a big game against a contending team or a middle-of-the-pack team, playoff team, I think Jake Figueroa would still have the same performance.
Impact as well.
Yeah. 42-point lead. Cuts it to 41. Nagkamali ka na. Nagkamali ka na. Susumbong na kita sa professor mo.
Dali lang. Tama ba?
Tama ba?
Tama.
Tama. Sinusubukan lang kita. Sinusubukan lang kita.
Medyo napang-question ako ng aking arithmetic. 41.8 in favor of your solid North Weaver. They're looking to just hold on to the basketball right here. Yutok still looking to post up. 6 seconds. Jay Yutok is blocked. Fuentes, 10 seconds on the game clock. Balong. So challenge by Jay. Fuentes gets the 3. That's Joseph Fuentes.
You can just see the difference from a culture standpoint. Even the last shot, even though it was made by Enos, it ended up in a contested shot.
Game is Jake Figueroa. This player of the game is brought to you by Sportsplus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Coach Chris, it's his first game, but already player of the game honors para kay Jake Figueroa.
This game was like a buffet. Ang daming pagpipilian. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung pipiliin mong ulam. Pero ang pinili natin ay yung pinaka-latest, yung pinaka-bagong luto na dumating para sa Abra, fresh from his...
I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff.